Welcome back in your English literature class. Everybody, good morning. So, today we will complete the exercise of chapter Visiti Philip. Okay, you can see in your exercise the first number exercise is about the subject and predicate. You have to recognize that what is subject and what is predicate. This is very simple. Now, firstly, read the definition. Subject. The naming part of a sentence is the subject. It tells who or what the sentence is about. You know very well who or what comes first. Okay, कि sentence कौन कर रहा है. Okay, who is doing a action, कौन कर रहा है, who or what. Okay, that is subject, noun and pronoun. And what is predicate? Predicate is very simple, it's just an action. The telling part of a sentence is the predicate. It tells what happened. Like Sita is singing a song. तो who is singing a song? सीता. ओके, तो who हमने जब क्वेश्चन में इसको कन्वर्ट किया कि who, like सीता is a noun. Okay, it's a subject. And when the sentence start from the verb, okay, it's compulsory predicate should have a verb and other sentence. So when the sentence comes from verb, so it is predicate. Like singing a song. Who is singing a song? Sita is singing a song is a subject. But what Sita is doing? क्या कर रही है, जो मैं बता रहा क्या कर रही है, सीता क्या कर रही है, सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग. तो दैट इज प्रेडिकेट. नाउ जस्ट look at the example. The rabbit at the carrot. Okay, so the rabbit is a subject because who at the carrot? Who? Convert into question. Who? So the rabbit is a noun, is a subject, and start from the verb at the carrot is a predicate. Okay, now let's come to your exercise. C number. To make sense, a sentence must have a subject. हमें अगर सेंटेंस बनाना है तो इट मस्ट हैव अ सब्जेक्ट. वहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए. सब्जेक्ट इज़ अ नाउन और प्रोनाउन. क्या होते हैं सब्जेक्ट? इज़ अ नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन द सेंटेंस. टू मेक सेंस अ सेंटेंस मस्ट हैव अ वर्ब. और उसको सेंसफुल बनाने के लिए उसमें वर्ब होना चाहिए. लाइक इन फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, रमन स्पेल्स वेल. ओके, तो रमन इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट and verb is spells. Okay, subject, he sings very well. So he is a subject and the other words are predicate, sings very well. So sentences are divided into two parts, subject and predicate. The subject tells who or what we are talking about. The predicate tells more about the subject. The predicate is the verb plus the rest of the information about the subject. Rest information is like in a second sentence. Look at the second sentence. He sings very well. So he is a pronoun, that means the subject, and predicate verb plus rest of the information matlab sings very well. So sings is a verb and rest information is very well, that is a predicate. Comes to the exercise. Read the example given below. The verb are underlined, subject and predicate. Okay, जो underline है that is a verb. Now Mohan is a good boy. तो Mohan is a subject and rest sentence including verb is a predicate. He is a subject, is a pronoun. Now has two sisters, has the verb and rest sentence is two sisters is a predicate. He is a pronoun, is a subject and studies in classroom मतलब verb से start होता है आपका predicate और rest information आपकी पीछे होती है उसके. Now these books is a subject, are about wild animals. Are is a verb and rest sentences about wild animals is a predicate. You is a subject, do your work neatly is a predicate. A dog is a subject, does guard duty sometimes is a predicate. Now come to your exercise. Read the following sentence, write the subject and predicates in column in your notebook. Okay, look at in your book. The first sentence is Priya is a pretty girl. So what is a noun and pronoun in this sentence? Priya is a noun, is a subject. So do circle in a subject and do underline in a predicate. तो आपका वर्ब क्या है इसमें? हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज़. तो इससे वर्ब से हमारा सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होता है आफ्टर नाउन आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट, और जो रेस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो पूरी इंक्लूडेड होती है प्रेडिकेट में. ठीक है, इज़ अ प्रिटी गर्ल. सेकेंड इज़ वी स्टडी इन क्लासरूम. वी इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट, स्टडी इन क्लासरूम इज़ अ प्रेडिकेट. श्रीलंका इज़ एन आइलैंड. श्रीलंका इज़ सब्जेक्ट, इज़ एन आइलैंड इज़ अ प्रेडिकेट. Fourth number, they are well mannered. So they is a subject and are well mannered is a predicate. The rabbit ran very fast. The rabbit is a subject and ran very fast is a predicate. A zebra is a subject, has stripes on its body is a predicate. Good children is a subject and obey their parents are teachers, and teachers is a predicate. Virat Kohli is a subject and bats and feels well is a predicate. I hope you understand it well. Now come to down. Listen carefully. Listen to your teacher. Write only the word that describe Philip. फिर क्या word describe कर सकता है सबसे best? तो Philip was fidgety. Okay. Now the next one is, now in this exercise you have to make this paragraph in a meaningful paragraph. This, okay, we have to recognize that which sentence would come first. Okay, so put the sentence in order, write them in the form of paragraph. Do this as in a pair activity. Choose a title that you think is best for this paragraph for the word box given below. You can see the box. Okay, there are 3 words, okay, given below. So firstly you have to make this paragraph meaningful, then you decide which title should be suited for this paragraph. Okay, so as you can see in this paragraph, already I have noted the numbers accordingly. So firstly I just want to tell you, just you read it carefully, okay, and find out it is meaningful or not. Okay, then after choose the suitable title. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.